Which of the following is the national animal of India? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Elephant. D. Rhinoceros. Answer B. Tiger. Answer B. Tiger.
Nice.
How many colors are there in India's national flag? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. Answer A. 3. Answer A. 3.
Nice.
When do we celebrate our Independence Day? A. 15th January. B. 26th January. C. The 26th of August. D. The 15th of August. Answer D. 15 August. Answer D. 15 August.
Nice.
Which of the following month have 31 days? A. October. B. February. C. June. D. April. Answer A. October. Answer A. October.
Nice.
Which of the following organ is used to taste food? A. Tongue. B. Lips. C. Teeth. D. Nose. Answer A. Tongue. Answer A. Tongue.
Nice.
Which of the following is not an outdoor game? A. Cricket. B. Football. C. Hockey. D. Table tennis. Answer D. Table tennis. Answer D. Table tennis.
Nice.
How many players are there in a cricket team? A. 9. B. 10. C. 11. D. 12. Answer C. 11. Answer C. 11. How many days are there in a leap year? A. 366. B. 360. C. 365. D. 364. Answer A. 366. Answer A. 366.
Nice.
Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Sardar Patel. D. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Answer B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer B. Jawaharlal Nehru.
Nice.
Which planet is nearest to Earth? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Mercury. D. Jupiter. Answer A. Venus. Answer A. Venus.
Nice.